Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be seeing another Konkani dish. It is called as a cabbage undi. This can also be called as cabbage sannamuddo or cabbage idli. So this is a easy recipe which can be made usually for breakfast or as an evening snacks. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest updates from us. To make the undi, we need 1 cup of idli rice, half a tablespoon hing powder, 1 tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. We can even use star fruit for soreness instead of tamarind paste. Around 6 to 7 dry red chilies or more as per taste. 2.5 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Firstly, to start with, we have to soak the 1 cup of idli rice in water for about 5 to 6 hours. Once the rice is ready, we need to add all the ingredients except for the cabbage along with 1 cup of water in a mixer or blender and blend till the batter is of thick and coarse consistency. To make a dosa with the same batter, we need to add more water and blend till it is smooth. Now our batter is ready, we can add the finely chopped cabbage and mix them well. To make the undi, we need to grease the idli molds with oil. Once the water comes to boiling, we can place the idli mold in the steamer and cook for about 15 minutes in high flame. Now our undi is done, we can demold them once the plate cools down. The cabbage undi can be had as such or even can be roasted and had. So please do try this recipe and do let me know in the comment section on how it was. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.